Me and Liezel rolling out in the tricycle. Gonna go over to Phat Drake's pad. Got Far East Papi over there, Eric and Mercy. They're chilling over at Phat Drake's place. And I think Far East Papi's making biscuits. I think that's the purpose. The purpose of today's cooking show is he's making biscuits. You like biscuits? Yeah? Alright. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but we're rolling out. I want to thank y'all for joining us on today's video. If you're not a subscriber here on my channel, hit that Overstay Road sign, bottom right hand corner of your screen, or find that red subscribe button. Get on board our train, my friends. We certainly appreciate it. About to Miles back at the house with the children, but trust me, we're gonna bring her a to-go box. That's all she wants. All right, so here we go. Anyhow, shooting on a big camera today, and when you try to hold this thing up and film yourself, it's like holding up a small dumbbell. It ain't that it's really all that heavy, but when you try to hold it up for any given time, it is heavy. There you go, there's the Clarkton Hotel, Elong at Sampagita Street. Coming back out onto the main drag here. There's somebody's little RV right there. That's a nice one right there by Yokohama Motor Sales. Taken down by the grab guy coming in on the outside. Alright, coming up here to Friendship, Koreatown. Off to the starboard side, you got these little food stalls here. Maybe I'll do y'all a walking tour. I've said that before and I never have. Do y'all a walking tour out there. And where we're at, right here at the intersection with the good old Jollibee, you can see over there. Past my man's handlebars there. Got an ambulance. Ambulance in the Popo on station here at Friendship. There's your nice Burger King. And we're in Koreatown. That's what the sign said. You caught it right in front of that Jeepney. This is the Koreatown portion of Angeles City.
Alright.
Ladies, my goodness.
We need at least what we need. I can go.
So I'm wondering who cooked these biscuits.
Guilty.
Well, Papi was the
Guilty.
main chef, but we are the, how do you say?
Our sous chef.
chef.
We had some
Sous
sous
chef?
chef help here.
Folks, let me just look at these biscuits. Dude, those are some proper biscuits, man.
Oh man, I'm telling you. So good. Okay, you want bacon?
Wiped out.
Clean cars.
So yeah, playing rook. Taught them how to play rook, and they're actually pretty damn good at it. They learn quickly. Kentucky rook.
There's a couple
All right, I love
salads. There's some pineapple juices.
Yes, but put a lot. So maybe, try it first, maybe.
It was a good life over in the Philippines, actually. That's what I'm saying. You don't always have to live scrapping. This is heaven.
This is the way to live in the Philippines. We call this high on the hog back in Mississippi.
This is living high on the hog over here. Marky Mark style.
Oh yeah, just like
That's
that.
what it is.
Blessed. Hashtag blessed.
Hashtag blessed, right? Well, we're
You
going
can all
to
go away
enjoy
tomorrow.
some beautiful, good country cooking right now. We're all country boys here.
Yeah.
At least the guys are.
Yeah.
And we don't get this often, you know. We don't get to eat Southern style cooking every now and then. We go to Puzzles, we go to VFW. You can find some restaurants that offer up what they feel is American style country cooking.
Yeah.
But it's not going to take away, it's not going to steal the Papi style country cooking.
Is that a real Yankee candle?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm
Whoa, we got the
I'm
expensive
jealous.
candles up in here too. My goodness.
I went on the trip in the States, just got back.
Oh, you brought it back from the States.
Open up this.
Bacon.
Oh, bacon, my goodness. Look at that. It looks like real bacon.
Cheesy, buttery.
That one couldn't make it, huh?
Oh man, I knew I forgot something. Captain Run. Sorry, buddy. You know what I forgot about him?
Next time, brother, next time.
He usually texts me in the morning and says breakfast, and it's either yes or no because I'm tied up. He didn't text me this morning.
It's his fault.
And maybe he's busy. Maybe you're busy. I feel bad.
Ron's a busy guy.
Google. So bring something.
Look at that TV on that refrigerator, Liezel.
I'm gonna watch her YouTube.
So you can play YouTube and Facebook while you cook, Liezel.
1 second.
Okay, you
Look at
buying?
this.
You buying this, sir?
Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of them. One for you and one for Fatima.
I'll see.
While y'all are frying up the chicken feet.
I got chicken, I got pork, but they want to go get some fish. So I open up the ref, I'm like, look, go ahead and chop up the potatoes and we can have french fries and fried chicken. And they said, what'd you say? Y'all want fish, right?
Very expensive.
Why is it expensive if I go with you?
Because you're foreigner. All the vendors are foreigners.
That's me.
Rich.
You know you hit the big time when you see yourself on a refrigerator.
Yep.
Okay, folks, now Liezel is gonna cook some type of meatloaf dish. But let me show you the meatloaf. This is the meatloaf here. Comes straight out of the can. And you can see it just plopped right out. You can still see the ridges in the can. So that is the meatloaf. So let me ask Liezel about how she's going to cook this here meatloaf.
Just fry it.
Oh, you're just gonna fry it up? Okay, all right. So we're having fried meatloaf for breakfast here, up in the Philippines, my friends. And don't think that I'm being cruel to these ladies. They love the meatloaf. They love the sardines. They love the corned beef. It's what folks like to eat here. Okay, just like I said before, it's like me, the redneck, loving bologna, fried bologna. If I had $10 million in the bank, I would still love a fried bologna sandwich. Trust me. Now she's slicing it up. Look at that. Sliced meatloaf. My goodness. Are you going to put onions and peppers or just fry it?